Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are an OG subscriber, hello and welcome back. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Anthea. Please do consider subscribing if you enjoy videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle kind of content. I do try and upload as regular as possible. But I've been slacking in the last few weeks, but I am trying. So I'm not going to ramble any further other than, as I say, if you please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and also make sure you hit the notification bell. That way when I do end up uploading a video, you will be notified, hopefully, by YouTube. And if you enjoy the video, please do hit the like button, because that also helps my channel as well. So with all that said, let's get on with the video. So as the title of the video has said, it is a kind of a collective luxury jewellery haul. So these are bits that I've picked up, I'd say, over the past, within this year. Some of them are newer than others. Some have had a little while and not yet worn just because of the current situation. And you know, I work from home, so as lovely as it is to kind of have these things, I've not really been able to wear them. But I wanted to come on and do a little video and show you what I have at the moment. I am trying to, I suppose, I don't want to say grow my jewellery collection, but I am mindful that I actually thought I had more jewellery than I actually do. And then when I've kind of thought, oh, I want to try, you know, and wear bits and bobs, it's like, oh, I actually haven't got as much as I thought. So I have been on the lookout for some new pieces. So with all that waffling done, I'm going to get into the first piece, and these are in no particular order, and I will do some cutaways so you can see these items a little bit closer up. So I will say that the haul is quite Dior heavy, not intentional, just these are the pieces that I've been liking of late. So I managed to pick up this, to be honest with you, I can't remember what's in this box. We'll soon find out. But if you know, it comes in a little nice Dior box. I love the packaging. I feel like it's really sleek, and you know, all the rest of it. See, this is when someone's got too much stuff. It's like, oh, what are these? Oh yeah, now it's coming back to me. So I picked up these, what are they called? The Dior tribal earring. As you can see, these are just, I've loved these forever. These are in a two-tone gold. So it's like a gold colour at the top, and then the bigger ball is silver, I have to think then. And then it's got a little Dior engraved on the top. I have bought these pre-loved. I bought them from my usual site, which is one I frequent a lot, which is Vestiaire Collective. I've done a couple of other videos on some pieces that I've picked up from Vestiaire Collective. So if you're interested to see what I've previously picked up in the past, I will link some videos in the cards in the video. So I will link some videos in the card here somewhere. But I absolutely adore these. I haven't yet wore them. I do need to yet to sterilise them, just because obviously we're pre-loved, and yeah, I don't want to be putting stuff in here that's not potentially clean. So these, like I say, my other half did treat me to a pair. I will pop them also on screen for you. They're a little bit smaller than these, and the ones that he bought me, they're like crystallized, like little pink crystals. They're really pretty, and they're a little bit smaller, the ball on those ones, than these ones. So yes, I am so looking forward to wearing these. As I said, I just need to get them sterilised so that I can actually put them in my ear comfortably and not feel like, ooh, you know, grubby or anything. So that's the first one. Oh, I can't remember how much I paid for these. I know last video I actually said I was going to put links in the description bar, and I didn't, so I'm sorry if you watched the last video and I did put the links in. But what I will do is I will put where you can buy these new, I suppose, if you are interested in any of these Dior tribal earrings. And what also I will do is put the price that I paid for these. It was a reasonable price actually. It wasn't too extortionate from what I can recall. But I'd have to go into my app to find out how much they were. So I'll do that, and I'll put that either on screen. Probably won't put it on screen because I always say I'm going to put it on screen, and I do, but it will be in the description bar. Just click down below. Okay, so that's the first one, tribal earrings, loving them. And then next, this is, I've got it in a little pouch. And this also was bought pre-loved. And this is the, even just picking it up, I'm just like, oh, I just love it so much. And this is the CD choker. Oh, God. It's just, again, oh my word, look at it. I've not worn this yet either. But I was lusting after this so much. And it's just absolutely stunning. As I say, I will have done cutaways for this, but, oh. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I just feel like it's a nice piece that you can wear, even just casual. It just literally dresses up any outfit that you're in, be it simple, be it dress, you know, if you're going out for drinks, if you're going out for dinner, if you're just going shopping, whatever it is. I just feel like this is a perfect piece to kind of, you know, just elevate, and I really hate using that word, but, you know, just lift and elevate your outfit from kind of Blair. It's like, even like now I've got this little plain, you know, pretty plain like top on, and if I also put this on, I feel like it would just dress it up somewhat, you know, quite a lot. And I just love the simplicity of the CD within the chunky chain. I know obviously the chunky chains are like all the rage at the moment, but I just really did. I just love it. Love it. So this is pretty pricey? I can't remember. Again, I bought this pre-loved. I will put the details of how much I paid, because I think I'll have to go into my account to see how much I paid for this, but I do know they still sell them on their website, so I will put a link to it in the description bar if you want to obviously buy it new. That's entirely up to yourself. So yeah, so that's that. I'll absolutely, I cannot wait to wear. I mean, I keep saying it with a lot of the stuff, it's like I can't wait to wear it, because I've just not been wearing anything like that, you know, I just haven't. So these are two coming in now. Oh, I can't stick with Dior. These two coming in now are my newest. So I've got a lovely box. Again, this was bought pre-loved, and the seller, I think it was really nice of her to kind of put it into a really nice Dior box with the bow and everything. So this is how it came in the post, if you like. So for what's in the box, it's a massive box, but like I say, I'm appreciative of the boxes. If anything, I think I'll put all my Dior stuff into this box. But so as I say, Dior, yeah, love it. I'm liking Dior. So again, this is something that I've been longing for and lusting after for the longest, and this is the Dior Christian Dior J'adore friendship bracelet. Again, oh my word, they come in a variety of colours. I think, again, because I like to wear things quite casual, and I am trying to build up, like I said, my jewellery collection, and I do want to kind of start stacking. And I just thought this, I love the colours, I love the pink, it's just a really nice pop of colour. And to be honest with you, the colour I was after, I wanted a blue, because blue is my favourite colour really. But when I saw this, I thought, you know what, this is a little bit different. Price point, I think, because I got this recently, was it I want to say 129, 130. And I think if you buy the set, I think the set's about 300 and something. Again, I'll put a link to them down below, so if you are interested, you can have a little peep. But what I will say, when I've been going on to my usual site, which is Vestiaire Collective, they're quite expensive. They want, and I've had this discussion many a time, and it's like I enjoy and I like buying pre-loved, you know, for many reasons. One, obviously it's always good to save some money. Two, I also think it's good to kind of buy pre-loved, just because we can kind of, if I don't like it, you know, we don't always have to buy new, and again, sustainability and all the rest of it. So I like it for that as well. So it's not just because I'm saving, but, you know, that kind of thing. But what I've noticed is, like, when you go onto some sites, especially Vestiaire Collective, if I'm being totally honest, they want close to what you've paid for, what they've paid for it new. Now, I understand they have fees to pay and all the rest of it. I've sold on Vestiaire Collective, and most sites you sell on, they take fees. But I just think, if I'm going to pay the same price for something that's been used, why would I not just go onto the actual website and get it brand new and get the box in, and, you know, all, you know, the comfort and confidence that it is a genuine item as well. So I don't know, I kind of understand why people are trying to, you know, make back what they've spent, but in reality it's like you've already bought it. You don't ever buy anything realistically and still keep its same value, other than, I know like your Chanel bags tend to kind of keep their value, and I think, you know, that, and I think, is it the Hermes bags, those, the Kelly, whatever it is, I'm not into them, but I know just specific items that do keep their value just because of the exclusivity of them or whatever it is. But in general, I don't think that you know, that things do. So I don't know. So that was a little rant, sorry. But this is again, this came, was it this week? I think it was this week that this came through, so I can't wait to wear it. And as I say, I'm gonna be building my little stack. So I've got, at the minute, I've got one little bracelet that my daughter got me for, I think it was Christmas. So that's the base line, and then obviously, like I say, I'm gonna be popping this on, and I've got one other bracelet here I'm gonna show you now, and I think I want to potentially get a couple more, but I don't want to go too crazy. I want to try and build the stack quite slowly, and just get pieces that I actually really love, rather than just thinking, right, okay, I need stuff now. So yeah, so that's my Christian Dior friendship bracelet. So yeah. And then last but by no means least is this little baby that I picked up from Tory Burch. Now have I got anything? No, I bought my sister a Tory Burch card holder for Christmas, and I quite like the quality of it. Then also I love the Cartier, you know, the bracelets. You'll see what I mean when I show you this. So that style of bracelet. And again, because I wanted to try and build a stack, but I don't have Cartier money to be buying that kind of bracelet, but I wanted a similar look. So when I put it into Google, this is what's come up, and it's their take on the friendship bracelet. Now I think I got this in the rose gold. I picked this up from Louisa Viaroma, and when I went on to, I think when I went to Tory Burch site, or when I went to Louisa Viaroma site, they had sizing on some of them. Now this one in particular, they didn't have a sizing on it. It was almost just like one size. Now it fits. It's got a nice little clasp thing. I think it's quite nice. It clips off. Fits. Let me just pop it on so you can see. So it fits. I think it looks quite nice. It got it in a rose gold, because I thought, you know, I do want to try and mix up my golds. And I do want to get another one. I'm thinking potentially getting another one in a like silver. Again, just so I've got kind of a mix of metals possibly, or maybe just a normal gold. But because I'm not too sure of the size of this, I'm not sure if I get the small size in the gold, if it's going to be too small, because this wasn't sized, which was quite strange. So I don't know. I don't know. I've never bought from Tory Burch before, so I'm not actually sure. But I do really like it, so as you can see, yeah, I do really like it. And you know, like I say, the Cartier one is beautiful. You know, it's thousands of pounds, and as much as even if it had thousands of pounds, I'm not even sure if I'd want to spend that much just for a bracelet when I can get a very similar look. Now I know it's not going to be of the same caliber and quality and everything, but I'm not really, it's more so for the look, it's not for anything else. So I thought, you know, that's a nice little alternative. And as much as I do like to spend here and there, if I can get, you know, if I can pick up an alternative to something, I'm more than happy to do that. You know, I'm not one of them who's kind of crazy, it has to be. But I do think whatever I pick up, I try to make sure that it's at least of some, you know, it's good quality pieces that I'm picking up. So yeah. So again, I will leave the link to this down below. And I'll leave the website for Tory Burch itself, and then obviously I'll leave the link for this one in particular that I picked up from Louisa Viaroma as well. So yeah. So that is everything I picked up. Like I say, a collective. Some were relatively new in, a couple, you know, within this week. A few pieces I've picked up over the past few months. So let me know which one was your favourite. Which one did you like? Which one are you considering potentially buying? Or if there's any one pieces that you kind of got any questions on, please do pop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer. If there's, you know, just anything, if you're unsure of anything, just give me a shout. And I think that is it. I've got nothing else to say. If you did make it to the end of the video, thank you very much. And if you did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button. Like I said, I am trying to grow. And if you also like this video, I will leave a video at the end of this for you to have a look at, that you might be interested as well. And I think that is everything I needed to say. So I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.